How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and over here we talk stocks and we focus on one thing. Always protect your profits. We also got to put in the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. So today we're going to be talking about AMC. I was taking a look at my portfolio. I'm like, wait a second. All the stocks on my list, or the most of them, were looking so red. But AMC looking strong and green. As you know, I am a holder as well. But before we get into it, let's first go over the agenda. And of course, if you are new to this channel, I just want to let you know we have timestamps down below in the description just to let you know that I respect your time. So before we get started, the first thing that we're going to be going over is a recent article talking about the option activity in AMC, as well as part of the reasons why it's looking very bullish, and also going over the at the market offering that they did at around $9.94 and the impact that it has. And of course, I'll be giving my thoughts while going through that article. I feel like it's key to know what is going on and what's behind the surge. Then afterwards, we're going to be doing a technical analysis. We want to take a look. Is it continuing to look bullish or is it looking bearish? Where are those price points that we need to see so we can continue to see some strong movements overall in price action? Then after that, we're going to be checking out the recent institutional ownership and as well as the short interest information. We want to know, what has big money been up to? You're also going to be seeing that a little bit inside the article portion as well. And also we want to know short borrow free rates. How many shares are actually available? I feel like this is key to know. And then when all of that is done, I'll be giving you guys my final thoughts. So let's get into it. So we're on benzinga.com, and it's going to be going over the option activity that we see going down in AMC. And it's part of the reasons why I still feel like there's more room for bullish movements in this stock. So AMC option traders jump into short squeeze potential. So we scroll down. AMC announced Thursday it had completed its 43 million share at the market equity program previously announced on April the 29th. The offering, which took place at an average price of $9.95 per share, raised $428 million of equity capital for the company. This came on top of another social media orchestrated short squeeze attempt that caused shares of AMC to surge more than 20%. A number of option traders jumped in on the move and bet over 806,233 shares of AMC Entertainment are headed higher still over the next number of months. The AMC Entertainment option trades. Below is a look at the notable option alerts courtesy of Benzinga Pro. So as we scroll down, we're going to be taking a look because, again, we talk a lot about the gamma squeeze here, and this is part of the reasons why we end up seeing that particular type of action. But let's go over it. At 9:45 a.m. Thursday, a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 200 AMC Entertainment options with a $30 strike price expiring on January 2023. The trade represented a $60,000 bullish bet for which the trader paid $3 per option contract. At 10:02 a.m., a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 250 AMC Entertainment options with a $30 strike price expiring on January 2023. The trade represented a $77,500 bullish bet for which the trader paid $3.10 per contract. At 10:06, a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 250 AMC Entertainment options with a $9 strike price expiring on May 28th. The trade represented a $75,000 bullish bet for which the trader paid $3 per option contract. At 10:06, a trader executed a call sweep at the ask of 260 AMC Entertainment options with a $9 strike price expiring on May the 28th. The trade represented $78,000 bullish bet for which the trader paid $3 per option contract. At 10:38 a.m., a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 200 AMC Entertainment options with a $30 strike price expiring on January 2023. The trade represented a $70,000 bullish bet for which the trader paid $3.50 per option contract. At 10:43, a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 200 AMC entertainment options with a $30 strike price expiring on January 2023. The trade represented a $70,000 bullish bet for which the trader paid $3.50 per option contract. At 10:43 a.m., a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 260 AMC entertainment options with a $30 strike price expiring on January 2023. The trade represented a $92,300 bullish bet for which the trader paid $3.55 per option contract. At 11:19 a.m., a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 1,026 AMC entertainment options with a $40 strike price expiring on September 17th. The trade represented a $148,770 bullish bet for which the trader paid $1.45 per option contract. At 11:44 a.m., a trader executed a call sweep near the ask at 834 AMC entertainment options with a $20 strike price expiring on June the 18th. The trader represented a $95,910,000 bullish bet for the trader paid $1.15 per option contract. And then at 11:49 a.m., a trader executed a call sweep near the ask of 250 AMC entertainment options with a $13 strike price expiring on January the 21st. The trade represented a $108,750 bullish bet for which the trader paid $4.35 per option contract. And all I have to say is wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this is part of the reasons if AMC ends up making that strong push into that $16, $20 area, I would not be surprised if a lot of these contracts, there's going to be some profit taken here and also being exercised for even more cash. But anyways, why is this important? When a sweep order occurs, it indicates the trader wanted to get into a position quickly and is anticipating an imminent large move in the stock price. A sweeper pays market price for the call option instead of placing a bid, which sweeps the order book of multiple exchanges to fill the order immediately. These types of call option orders are usually made by institutions. So this is what I'm saying right here. So institutions, I know you're probably thinking, well, you know what? They are against us. We're trying to fight the funds and so forth. But do keep in mind, there's institutions that fight each other. So just want you guys to remember that. And retail investors can find watching for sweepers useful because it indicates smart money has entered a position. This is part of the reasons why we love looking at institutional ownership. AMC price action. Shares of AMC Entertainment were trading up 20.5% to $12.44 at the publication time. And of course, it got higher than that, getting into the $14 range. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis for AMC, which ended up closing the day at $12.77, being up 23.74% on the day. On the low, it tested $10.64, and then on the high, testing $14.20. So it was definitely a great day for AMC shareholders. So one of the things that we need to take a look at are our indicators. We want to see, is it looking bullish or is it looking bearish? So as you can see, it's above the 200-day, the 21-day EMA, and as well as the 100-day simple moving average as well. So we're definitely looking bullish for AMC stock. Even if we take a look at the RSI over here, we're definitely in that area of being overbought, well within that 82 area. But you know what? I'm not mad at that. I feel like we can keep this momentum going, especially going into tomorrow. So one of the things we're looking at, the chart we have is a 6-month, 2-hour chart. I want to make sure we can see a big picture of what potentially can happen here. So what I want to see from AMC is being able to actually hold down $12.50. I feel like it could hold this area of support going into tomorrow. And if it's able to do this, then we could definitely get a strong push to be able to actually get past the high of the day that we reached today at 1420 and be able to get here into the 1450s. We see right here at this 1460 level, if we're able to get past this area, I would not be shocked if we make that strong move going into 16 here. We already know if we have a lot of volume and a lot of buying pressure, and as long as you are continuing to hold, we we could have some strong price action in AMC. So what I'm looking for is for it to stay above $12.50 so we can end up getting that retest going into tomorrow, so we can challenge getting back into the 14s and then making a strong push into the 16s. If we're able to hit the 16 area and have even more volume coming in, I wouldn't be shocked if we end up hitting the 18 areas, as you can see in the previous chart. So that's an area I want you guys to pay attention to, 12.50. Of course, where do we have areas of resistance? Definitely right here at this $14 level is the area of resistance, and it's also one of the reasons why I was saying if we have a lot of volume and there's a tremendous amount of buying pressure, once we break out of this area, then AMC is going to the moon. So that's what I want you guys to be aware of. And also, worst case scenario, if that doesn't end up happening, I want to see AMC continue to hold this $12 level going into next week, and I feel like it will still continue to be bullish as well. So if we don't get the bullish behavior for tomorrow, but we can hold 12, things will definitely look good for next week. But if we end up getting above that 12.50 and having a strong move, I wouldn't be surprised if we get to 16 and beyond. So we're now on fintel.io. We're going to be taking a look at the institutional ownership for AMC. We're going to check out what's been going down recently, and then we're going to be taking a look at the short interest information. So as we scroll down on the page, green rows indicate new positions while red rows indicate closed positions. So we can see a lot of institutional activity going down today on the 13th alone. But for the most part, for what I'm seeing here, it is looking fairly bullish. We also see some notable names on here who have been loading up on shares, adding to their positions. And we also have some hedging, as you can see from the puts here as well. So we can see notable names like Wells Fargo. We also see a notable name like Bank of New York Mellon Corp having around almost 1.5 million shares of AMC. Definitely taking advantage of the short borrow free rate of where it's at currently. And like I said, we have Wells Fargo active again, and this is literally just taking into consideration today. Even if we go back as far as for the 12th is concerned, still looking more bullish for the most part, right? And also just more institutions going in with those options as far as calls and hedging with puts. This is what's causing and what we're looking for in regards to that gamma squeeze. Now, if we take a look at the short interest information, short volume ratio stands at around 11%. So again, this is well below 21%, but this also is not a bad thing. And I'm going to be explaining that. So short shares availability as of 17 minutes ago stands at 0. Wow, we just had to take a moment of silence there. If we take a look at the short borrow free rate, apparently it is not available. But when I was looking at iBorrow, it was in the 70% range, so please keep that in mind. If we take a look at the history of the short volume ratio, from what I'm seeing here, since it was at 11, this just means that there's not as much shorting going on in regards to AMC. There's more buying and there's more holding. So taking that into consideration, this is part of the reasons why I still see some more room for upside, especially since the market sentiment has completely turned around and AMC is looking very bullish. So for my final thoughts for AMC, I'm going to continue to hold my shares, and hey, I'm going to definitely be buying more on the dips. Another thing we need to understand, yes, we are fighting against the institutions and the hedge funds, but we also need to realize they're also fighting amongst each other. Many of them are actually buying up these options, and it's part of the reasons why we want to see that force of that gamma squeeze. And if this continues in this direction, we will get that, and then we will get the short squeeze thereafter, and being able to actually really capitalize on this opportunity here. Another thing to remind you of as well, and I feel like it should not be ignored, hey, as far as dilution concerns, that is out the window. AMC has been able to raise some capital. They did it at the market offering at around $9.94. So now that that's out the way and the CEO already knows it's going down, he's saying, hey, I got you. I know you guys have our backs. We're in this mission together. Things are definitely looking really good for AMC. So what I want to see being able to hold up this $12 level by the end of today, which is 8 p.m. to be exact. But do keep in mind there's a lot of manipulation that goes down in the pre-market and as well as in the after hours. So what's most important is paying attention to what's going down in regards to the regular trading hours. Another thing to understand, we had a ton of volume today, and with a lot of volume and a lot of buying pressure, and we know we have the FOMO, a lot of people getting in, want to being a part of the run-up, we're gonna have strong days like we had today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and everyone who's actually in AMC holding shares or anyone who's been taking profits along the way and making money, I salute ya. I'll be talking real soon.